Hello sir, I'm Pavitran. Today my topic is how education has been developed through technology. Uh, Nowadays technology has changed a lot things in today's education. For example, in schools and colleges, classrooms have come out. So these things make the students really learn very well. The main motto of a teacher is to make the subject reach the student very easily. So these things can be easily done through technology actually. For example, in our class itself, if you keep a projector and if you present the classroom, it would be more interesting for the people or the students to interact with and concentrate with the subject, and they will surely get the subject into their minds. These things are very much advanced and already lots of years before itself it's been practiced in foreign, but slowly right now it's coming up in India, and there are many methods through which the education can be easily make reach to the students actually. So one among those things are nowadays through mobile phones also some classes go on. For example, a college in Vandalur is planning for such a thing that it has a main server through which the students will have tablets in their hands. These things are supported by Samsung actually. So whatever the teacher teaches in the classroom, everything will be viewed in their hands. It will be so awesome. If they have any doubts, they can interact very easily, and no need to make note of anything actually. So it's already a tablet, so they can access it easily after going home also. So these things can be easily related to the environment issue also. It actually saves tons and tons of papers, as we know. For our PD itself, you said we spend a lot of papers. So obviously, all over India, if this thing takes place further, for sure, it will save papers, and it will for sure educate students very well. And I have also joined a video along with this video. So just have a look at it also. Thank you. Hey guys, we have a Smart Class student here. Let's see what she talks about Smart Class. Hey,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Supraja.
Okay, do you have Smart Class in your school?
Yes, I do have.
Okay, which standard are you in?
I'm studying in 4th standard.
Okay, what all the subjects do you learn through Smart Class?
English, Maths, social, science, lots of subjects.
Okay, so what do you learn in science?
Science, we learn about parts of a body, function of body, like heart, brain, lungs, etc.
Okay, what do you learn in grammar?
We learn in grammar like adjectives, verbs, pronoun, nouns, adverbs,
Okay,
etc.
okay, how much marks do you score?
I get full or 90s through Smart Class.
Okay, so you find Smart Class very interesting?
Yes.
It's very interesting, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so do your friends enjoy Smart Class?
They excited.
Okay, so all your classes are through Smart Class only.
Yes.
Okay, so Praja, thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.